10 lines on rainy day. My friends, happy rainy day. Enjoy your rainy day. Today is a rainy day. I love the rainy season. My friends and I play in the rain. We saw a huge rainbow in the sky. The streets are full of water because of the rain. On rainy days, my friends and I make paper boats and make them float in the water. I love the smell of the earth when it rains after a sunny day. Rain makes the weather so pleasant, refreshing, and cool. I like getting wet in the rain. I enjoy eating hot fries on rainy days. So, friends, enjoy your rainy days. Thank you.